Name the intersection of plane ACG and BCG. Well, we know that if a plane intersects with another plane, it is going to intersect at a line. Since planes are infinite on that flat surface, they will run into each other in an infinitely long place that is called a line. You can see that if I just use problem 8 as an example, you can see where this plane on the top and the plane on the right hand side interact there. And if the planes went on forever, as we know that planes do in theory, that line where they intersect would go on forever. So how do you name a line? You name it with two unique points. So if we look at number 7 and we see the names, we see that both of them contain point C and point G. That means point C is somewhere on plane ACG and point C is somewhere on plane BCG. Now, because it also contains G, both of them contain G, we know that G is on the first plane, plane ACG, and G is also on this plane, BCG. Okay, so if this plane contains C somewhere, and it contains G somewhere else, then that means that those 2 points are going to be, if you connect them, they're going to be on a line. And since those planes intersect somewhere on a line, and they both contain C and G, then those 2 points must be on that line of intersection. And so we could name the line by those 2 points, because you can name a line by any 2 points that are on the line. So name the intersection of plane ACG and plane BCG. Well, it's going to be a line. And we know they intersect. It can't be D because they wouldn't have any common points if they didn't intersect. So they're going to intersect somewhere. And we definitely know that they contain C and G, so we'll call that line CG. Okay. Now, what is the intersection of plane STXW? Let's shade it. STXW, that's the one in the back. I know that it's the back because you can see this line right here is dotted. That means that it's actually hidden from view, and they're giving us a kind of a view of an invisible view of this. Okay, so STXW, that is that plane there in the back. And SVUT, that is, let's see, SVUT, that's this top plane here. But just like last time, we didn't need to highlight this and see that, oh yeah, indeed they are meeting back here at line ST. We could have told that from the name. They both contain S and T. So if they both contain S and T, then we can call that line ST, that line of intersection. Okay? So we can call that B. We're done.